Hello everyone. In today's video, what I want to do is to replicate these leaves spread that I did on my Flowers Magic journal, here on my Fragments journal. Both of these journals were created inspired by Francisca Nunes. Francisca has also a channel here on YouTube. I will link her channel in the description below, but as my Fragments journal has as main color green, my spread here will be also in shades of green. So if we look at this spread, what you can see is that I have explored different techniques. I used brush pens to create this main leaf. Then I use acrylics to paint this one and then glue it and down here. And then I also did some leaves exploring line work on transparent paper and gluing them down here. I will try to replicate all these three kinds, so to say, of leaves, and we'll see how it will work. So let's get started. I have the sketch of this first leaf, and then what I will do is to let's just accentuate this part. What I will do is just to fill in. So now that we have the leaf completely painted, let's add the details in the middle of the leaf, something like that. See that I'm not covering these marks. I don't know how they are called. We could also create this flower using like watercolors or maybe gouache. It all depends on the thickness of the paper that you are work with. In this case, this is a very thin paper from old notebook, so I thought it would be safer to use just brush pens. I think we are good with the first leaf, and then paint just in a blank sheet of paper. Let me see here. Maybe I will sketch the leaf. Oh, and remember, this page it's smaller than this one, so we have to paint a leaf that it's that will fit on this page. So let me just sketch it here. It will work. And now let's see which paint, which colors, sorry, which colors. Maybe these two. Yeah, I guess these two. It will nice. It will be nice. And as you can see, I don't have the patience to put the paint in a plate. I just use it straight from the bottle, from the tube. I don't know if I'm liking it. It's so vivid. Let's see. So let's wait for this to dry and maybe decide if I will give it a second layer. I don't know, maybe. Let's put it aside and then we can start to draw. Let's see. Play with Linework using it's a black gel pen from Uniball, and then what I will do is just to create another leaf here, smaller than that one and facing the other direction. Yes, just that. So our first Linework leaf, it's ready. So let's do another one. I don't know about the color. Maybe this. Maybe this one. Ooh, I like this one, but it's so contrasting. Let's check what would be better. This one here. I will take my chances and I will do with this color. Okay, not like this shape. Let's try it again. So let's come back to this one, and let's add another layer. This time I will try to do something like that, just to put the paint with stroke in the real direction of all these marks that leave actually has, so like that. And then let's take advantage that these paint is still a little bit wet, and let's add the other layer. We will wait for them to dry, and just to have an idea, we'll have another one here, and then this one. And I think this color is not matching this leaf at all, so let's grab the other green. Let's see. Oh, it's way better. So I will draw again another leaf. Maybe it is too large. Yeah, it's maybe hard for you to see me drawing. Just put something underneath so you can see better. Isn't it a great and easy way to draw? Just fill any blank space with lines. I just love it. So let's cut out this one. So let's finish this one. It's still wet, so I will use a heat gun to accelerate. Yeah, it's dry. So what I will do now is just to add some details with this metallic pen. Really nice. So I'm not liking this part, so I will adjust it using this one, the metallic one. Okay, so let's cut out. Yeah, great. So let's just play and see where position the leaves here. The other one, it could be here, like that, or something like that. Yeah, I like it. So let me grab my glue. Yeah, so I think we can add some, I don't know, some dots. So let's just add them here to tie all things up. Yeah, that's it. We have the leaves spread done. I love to create this spread. It's very simple. It's just a little bit of drawing, a little bit of painting, and some collages. I hope you have enjoyed and have get some ideas to work with leaves and not only flowers on your journals. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.